Okay, what's going on, friends? Again, welcome to our channel. This is Willie over here with Willie Creations. Today I'm gonna show you how to create awesome thumbnails using Picsart app. So let's dive in, let's do this. So friends, if you have questions, suggestions on what you want us to make for you in the upcoming videos, just leave it in the comment section below so that we'll carry on with the conversation once we are done with this tutorial. So just leave it in the comment section below. And again, please just like, share and comment in our content. That is how YouTube algorithms will detect that people are interacting with our work. So please do so. Another thing I would like to tell you is that this is one of my favorite photo editing apps. Picsart is an amazing app. It is all in one app, and I hope you'll also like it. So friends, let's dive in. We'll go to Google Play and look for Picsart. Picsart. Here we are. In our case, I've already downloaded Picsart photo editor in this case. So if you have not downloaded it, you just first of all download the app from the Google Play. And if you are using iOS, I mean Apple phone, there is also, this app is available for both Android and Apple devices. So let's get started. Once you have downloaded the app, you just tap open. Just go back to the desktop and just open the app from the desktop. Once you've opened the app, it's still loading, but once you open the app, the bottom part there's this add icon or plus icon, as you can see over here. So you just tap on it. This will allow you to add the image or template that you want to use for your thumbnail. So you'll select photos, then you'll select the photo you want to use as your thumbnail. So in our case, I'll just choose this photo over here. This photo, I took it some days back. This photo. Once the photo is selected, as you can see, the photo which is on our screen is a little bit bigger. Is not the appropriate size of the photo we need to use, because this thumbnail, we are making it for the purpose of YouTube thumbnail. So we need to resize it appropriately. So we'll go to the extreme bottom part. Then there are different options. You can see we have gold, we have tools, effects, beauty, sticker, cutout, and so on and so forth. So in this case, we'll go to tools. Once we are at tools, we'll select crop, because we want to crop it to the size or to the standard of YouTube. Then once you are here on this page, you scroll down. You just go down here. There are different options and blah blah blah, and you just scroll to extreme right. There are different options. You can see here we have square, we have portrait, story, post for Facebook, cover for Facebook, printers, and so on. So sorry for that. The image got rotated. I didn't intend to rotate it, it just rotated by itself, but let's go ahead and pick the most appropriate. For this case we want to use for YouTube, so YouTube is to the extreme right bottom over here, so we'll select YouTube. Then we just move the image until we get it to the right position. Then we can tap this tick to the extreme top corner over here. Once done, we can add more items. So we'll go to text and add a text to this image. So over here, text at the bottom. Then you go ahead and add your text. In our case, we'll name it as YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail, and that's it. You can crop and you can zoom this image, and you can as well move it. It is movable, and there are different options. The colors, you can go down over here to the bottom. There's an option of changing the color, so you just tap color, then different colors will come over here. In this case, because our background is whitish, so we'd like to get a color that will be more appealing and that is more visible. So let me try this blue. That doesn't go very well, so let me try yellow. Yellow also not that visible, but again I will also want to use with a stroke, so let's choose with a stroke. Then let's go ahead and try this red. Yeah, yellow with the red strokes. Yeah, it looks better that way. Then we can just move this image over here. I think it looks better over there. You can zoom the image, the text. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. So let me put it somewhere here. I'll just put it over there. No, I'll put it. I need to look for the best place for it. Yeah, let us leave it at the corner. I'm happy with that over there. Once that is done, we can tap this tick at the corner. Then what else? We can leave it at that. That is just okay for now. So we just tap to the extreme top right corner here to go ahead and save the thumbnail that we have just created. Then you tap save and again save, then choose gallery and done. So guys, that is how you make YouTube thumbnails using Picsart photo editor. But if you want to tweak it more, you want to add other things, you can go back over here, you add plus or additional symbol, then you go again and select photos, and we'll use the same photo we had used before. So we'll select. Once we have selected the photo, and we want to tweak it. We want to just make that thumbnail more appealing. So we'll go to cutouts, and once you have gone to cutout at the bottom and you have selected it, select this human like icon over here, and this will enable you to highlight. It automatically highlights human figure or human images. Then that's the magic. Sometimes it will not highlight everything very well, so if it doesn't, what you need to do is just so sometimes it will not do it, so you'll just use your hands and finish up the parts that were not done appropriately. You can zoom in to enable you to see the parts which are not. You can increase the capacity, the hardness, and so on. Once that is done, you can just tap save. Once saved, this will be saved as a transparent image or PNG. This is the way it trims the image. Once it is trimmed this way, then you can go ahead and add borders to the image, like add border like so. You can see. Then you go ahead to the extreme top right corner and proceed with saving, and the image has been saved. You go again to gallery, then done. Then again, now we are going back to the initial thumbnail that we had created. So we tap at the center bottom plus icon, then photos, then this is the thumbnail we had created. Then we can duplicate this thumbnail now. So we'll go to the bottom over here, and we'll go ahead to this icon, add photo, or you can select add sticker, but in our case we'll just select it as a photo. So we tap and add, and you see we can now duplicate it over here. We can put it over here. And you can move it. You can zoom in. You can do anything over there. Let us put it here. So over there. So you can put it like that. Then you tap that and it is saved as well. Then you can go back here to tools as well. There are things like which you can adjust, like adjust. When you adjust this, it will improve the capacity, the color of the photo, and so on. But I'm happy with the original color, so we'll just leave it at that. Then tap the tick to the extreme top right corner here, and you're done. Again, then again save, then you tap gallery, then done. So guys, that's how you create your thumbnail. uh, that is how you create YouTube thumbnail in a few steps. Friends, now that you've learned how to create a thumbnail using pixel art, so please make sure that you subscribe if you are new to this channel, and you share and like our content. And for the subscribers, thank you very much for your support and for being in our community. We really appreciate you. You are awesome people. I'll keep on creating more content for you guys. Stay tuned every time, and don't forget to tap that bell icon if you have not done so, so that every time we share content in this channel, you receive everything every time. Peace out.